Okay, look, we'll do it. We'll do it.
Yes.
We'll do it now. Right, question 1. The first part was solve this.
What?
What? I didn't solve it yet.
Yes.
Plus x minus 14 less than 0. 3x, x, 7 and 2 and plus and minus.
Yes.
Should we use the complete square later?
Yes, or you could also use the formula. You have many ways.
No, could you show the process of complete square later?
Did you not watch the video last night?
I watched it, but I think I got wrong.
Anyways, go. Okay, fine. Fine. Because we're friends. 3x squared plus x minus 14. Okay, step 1. You take the equals 0. You take the 3 out. Equals 0. Step 2. You say that it's x plus a half of this middle number squared, and then you do this minus the square of that. So it's minus 14 over 3 minus 1 over 36. This is for Gao. This is just for Gao. What's that, please? Minus 14 over 3 minus 1 over 36, please. Minus.
6.
Huh?
4.
12.
4.6.
Oh, I want a fraction. I want a fraction.
169 over 30. 36. That's what I did.
Like this.
Yeah. Good. No, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Fine. Equals 0.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
3 we can cancel.
we can cancel the 3. It's not necessary.
So x plus 1 over 6 square.
That's it.
plus-
That's it.
Oh, we cancelled 3.
So it's 6 over.
That's it. Yeah. 6
13.
here. 13 here.
13.
So x equals minus 1/6 plus or minus 13 over 6, which is 12 over 6, or 14 over 6, minus 14 over 6. So that's 2 or minus 7 over 3.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah. The same. The same, yeah. So 3x, x, 7, 2, plus minus less than 0. So this is 2, and this is minus 7 over 3, and it's less than, so we want this.
Yes.
So this is the answer.
Yes.
Okay? B1. Show that x minus 5 is a factor. So the remainder will equal 2 5 cubed minus 15 5 squared plus 13 times 5
6
plus 60 equals 0. Therefore, a factor.
Yes.
2. Divide.
Yeah.
Is it
Yes.
is it the same one?
Huh?
It's the same. Yeah, so it should be 0.
Yes.
2x cubed minus 15x squared plus 13x plus 60.
2x squared.
2x squared, 2x cubed minus 10x squared minus
5.
yeah. Minus 5x squared plus 25x,
Yes.
and then
Minus 12 plus 16 is minus 12. Yeah.
okay. What? What? English.
Why you are sleepy? I said doing nothing. I feel very bored.
I'm sorry I'm so boring. Right, 3. Factorize completely. So the first factor we know. The other 2 come from this. 6 and 2? No.
Plus 3.
4 and 3?
Plus 3. Plus. This is minus 4. And this is. Oh no. 2x plus 3. X minus 4.
Minus 8.
Minus.
Plus. Yeah. Okay. Right. C. A equals. We don't know.
Yeah. We know that.
Or equals 5 over 6. And yeah, what do we know? We know that the 5th term is 1,650 less than the 3rd term. So the 5th term is the 3rd term minus 1650.
Huh?
Isn't it?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Oh, you use U.
Oh.
I think it's.
No, it doesn't matter.
What?
Just letters not important.
Is this mean? I thought it's five term is six.
No, this is the
it's
problem.
less.
This is the
Okay.
problem. So you have A or 4 equals A or squared minus 1650. So that means A or 4, yes, minus A or squared plus 1650 equals 0.
Yes.
Come on.
Why?
Oh, no, stop. I don't need to do this because I know the or.
Yes.
So what I can do is I can say, let me go backwards. I can say that A or 4 minus or squared equals minus 1650.
Yes.
So A equals 1650 over or squared plus or 4, which is 1650 over 25 over 36 plus 625. Oh, yeah.
Is minus.
Oh, thank you. Minus here, yeah. Thank you. What's 36 squared? Okay, so what's our A?
I think 7, 7, 7, 6.
7, 7, 7,
6.
6. Wonderful. Right. And now, how many terms before you get 40,000? Right, let's see. So we want Sn to be more than 40,000. So that means A, 1 minus Rn over 1 minus R, needs to be more than 40,000.
Yes.
Divide by A. What's 40,000 divided by 7776?
We also can.
Oh, I know, yeah.
And
Yeah.
1 minus
1,
R.
2, 5,
So it's tens.
Yes, you will do this, yeah. 1250 over 243. Now, 1 minus 5/6 is 1/6. So I'll just bring 1/6 up here. Can you multiply that by 1/6? What do we get?
Six, 2, 5, or 7, 2, 9.
Okay. 1 minus 625 over 729 more than 5 over 6 power n. So what's this on the left? 729 over 729.
104 over 7, 2, 9.
More than 5 over 6 power n. Yeah? So, what you can do now?
Log.
Log both sides, yeah. So, what base should I use? I could use... but I could save time and use base 5 over 6.
Oh.
Because then they cancel. And we get n here.
It's okay.
Oh no, okay, sorry. That's I won't do that. That's dirty. ln. It's better. So then you get ln 104 over 729 more than n ln 5 over 6.
Yes.
Now watch carefully. ln 104 over 729 over ln log 5 over 6 is less than n. Why did I do that? Why did I change that?
Because we want that.
Why did I switch it?
So log 5 over 6
As
is
minus.
minus.
Correct. So what's this on the left?
10 plus 7.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because n is natural. Exceeds. Is it not 10.7? What'd you hear?
1.4.
Okay, whatever. 10 point something. Exceeds 40,000 at the 11th term. Okay.
Okay.
And then the last part. What? Okay. In the expansion of p plus 2x power 7, the x4 the coefficient of x4 is 2240p squared. Okay, so the x4 coefficient is 7c4. Well, let me. It's c p 2x.
Oh yes.
This must be 7.
4.
This must be 4.
Oh,
So this must be
sorry.
3. And what do I put here?
4.
3 or 4, it's the same.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But I don't care about the x. Why not? Because they say the coefficient. It means the number beside x. That should equal 2240 p squared. So that p squared cancels that. And you get p equals 2240 over 24816 times, and then this one here is 35.
How to cancel?
4.
How to cancel that? It's not 1.
It's p cubed,
Yes, and the
p squared,
Oh, it's square. I thought it's
squared.
Oh, okay. I forgot it.
It's okay?
4 turns. Why? Is 4 turns. And why the P is. Sorry. I think P is 4.
Here?
Yeah.
No, because these two must make 7.
Yeah, I mean P is 4 and
Oh, why isn't it the other way?
yeah.
Yeah, good. So the reason is because it says the coefficient of x4. So the 4 must be on the x part.
It's actually is 5.
5?
It, the 5 turn because it's X.
But you start counting at 0.
Because we, you know, the first is
Yeah, let me show you.
7.
Yeah, let me show you.
Is
Yeah, I
no
understand. Yeah.
X, so
So you have 7c0, no x. 7c1 has an x. 7c2 has an x squared. 7c3 has an x cubed. And 7c4 has an x4.
yeah, it's the 5.
It's the 5th term.
5th.
Has the 4 power.
Yeah.
And the other one will have power 3. So here it goes. So it goes 0, 7, 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4 on the x plus p. Huh? Yeah, 4 trees next.
Stefan,
Yeah, well,
can you explain what's this?
did you not do this?
You have forgotten.
Yeah, four.
So it's
Okay,
4.
1
it's
second.
4, 3. So the P is 4.
No, the P's 3. Okay, look, maybe you guys are a little rusty on this. Let me explain. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. So suppose you have something like A plus B power 6. Okay? You start off with 6C0. The why 6?
AC.
Because, yeah. Now, then what you do, you can just write AB plus 6C1 AB plus 6C2 AB plus 6C3 AB. Do you see what's happening?
Yeah, I remember that in the.
Plus 6C4 AB plus 6C5 AB plus 6C6 AB. Then you put in the powers. So you can choose. You can start with A or you can start with B. So if you start with A, you could say A is power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The B must be opposite. So if you start with 0, then here you start with 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So if you notice in the A and the B, these two powers, they always add together to make the number here in front of the C. So like 2 and 4 you have 6, 3 and 3 6, 5 and 1 6. You also notice that this number here is always one of the numbers on the top. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. So
maybe,
if I
maybe it's A, maybe it's B.
yeah, it doesn't matter because 6C4 is the same as 6C2, so it doesn't matter. Okay. So if I have something like this, P plus 2x power 7, that's going to equal blah blah. One sec, Ben. Sorry, blah 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 plus C P 2x. This must be 7. Now we want x power 4, so this one must be 4.
Yeah.
If this is 4, then this must be 3. And this can be 3 or 4.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. Okay, what were you going to ask me, Ben?
It's clear.
It's clear? It's not clear.
But you just said this under the number under C must be the x.
No, I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I said the number here
Yes.
must be this or this. And it doesn't matter because 7C3 and 7C4 are the same number.
Yes.
So if the question need us put the 4 in 2x,
Yeah.
it's this answer.
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
it didn't say that, just 4 maybe can be P4 or
Maybe, yeah. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Okay, is that okay?
Yes.
Is that okay, Gail?
Mm.
Are you sure?
So
You did this, this lesson you did in semester 1.
Yeah.
good.
Binomial expansion was the name of the lesson.
No, Pascal triangle.
Pascal triangle was before this.
But this shows clear.
Pascal's triangle? Yeah, well, Pascal triangle doesn't work when you have this.
Yeah, but I think they put John put the class together.
Ah.
How about E1?
E1?
Oh, yeah, it's E.
There's more?
No, E0 is 1.
E0?
E.
Oh, e power 0
Yeah.
is 1. Okay, next question. 20 marks, 20 minutes, off you go.
Oh, trigonometry. Love this.
Is there trigonometry?
Yeah, in C question.
Oh,
C.
okay.
My favorite.
Yeah. Right, off you go. 20 minutes. Go.
Which one?
The next one. B2. Let me open it again, sorry.